Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Filmmaking. Today, boy on Dulabic here. So we're going to do another unboxing. This time it's the Neewer CN-304 LED video light. I got actually a few of these. They're different models, and I will be doing a full-on review on this one as well. So first, let's get started and let's unbox this guy. So this is a like it says, video light. You can attach this to a camera. You can attach this to a tripod. You can even detach this hot shoe right here. So you get a lot of different ways to mount this. And it is a daytime balanced, so it's 5600K, and it also comes with this little filter here that will basically make this a 3200K light, right? So it gives it an orange hue, and then this one here is basically acts like a diffuser, or it softens the shadows and that kind of stuff. So let's take a look at the box. So here you can see the different modes, I guess. Some more info. There you go. There you go. So nice standard packaging. By the way, if you have the CN-160, it is the same size as that one. It just has a lot more stuff going on. So let's unbox it. All right, so we've got this foam thing. All right, so here we have. Okay, so this is for the battery. So it takes Sony batteries. They all take the same types of Sony. What is it? Sony NP batteries. So yeah, this is just the plate that goes inside. So that's fine. Let's put that here. Okay, so here's the hot shoe mount. So this goes into the light, and then this you attach to the camera itself, or like I said, you can just attach this straight to a tripod, right? So that's that. Nothing fancy. Then we've got the light. Let's put that aside just for now. Let's see what else is in here. So you've got typical warranty stuff, blah blah, whatever. You've got more paperwork and instructions and all that stuff that no one cares about. So that's it for the package. And then this is actually cool. They do this with all of their lights, Neewer. So you get this little protective case, and inside you have the two filters. So this is that orange one, right? And then this is the white one. It's cool, really cool. So that's it. There's not much in there, right? So but you get everything you need. Oh, actually, this is interesting. There is a filter on here as well. Huh. Okay. Let's open up this guy. All right. So let's put this stuff aside. So first of all, let's take a look at this one. You know what? I'm actually, I'm gonna take that back. I think this one might be a little bit bigger than the 160. I can't check right now because I'm literally using the 160 above here to light this. But I'll do a comparison video on these guys probably as well. But it seems a little bigger. Could be just me. But anyway, actually I guess you do get interesting. So you get this guy. Okay. Oh, I see. So will diffuse. Oh, where do you go? Oh, spotlight. Oh, interesting. No, hang on. Nope, that's nothing. That's without anything. Oops, I guess you can't see. That's without anything. This is with, it just says diffuse effect, and this is the 3200K. Okay. Well, we'll find out. I mean, you got two of these. They look the same, so maybe they just gave you two. Anyway, all you do is you just slide it in there. All good. So let's take a look at the actual thing. So here you have the knob. This is, actually this only adjusts the brightness, right? On this model, this is the on-off switch, right? On-off. Here you can, this one you can also plug in, so you don't have to run it on battery. So that's actually pretty sweet, because I have the 160 what is it, the 176, the PT-176S. Stay tuned. I will be doing a review on that one pretty soon. And that one also has a plugin, which is really good because the 160 doesn't have a plugin. There is a way to work around that, but you know what? Sometimes plugging it in, especially if you have a same setup like I do, a lot of times it just makes things so much easier when you don't have to worry about batteries and all that stuff. So anyway, there's that. There's a test button here. It'll tell you the strength of the battery, which is really useful. Obviously, this is where this guy goes, or like I said, mounted straight to a tripod or a camera stand. Not much else going on. You've got the fans up here. Same on the side here. Yeah, not much else going on. Now, the cool thing, when you lift this, open this latch up, as with the 160, you can power this one with AA batteries. So we've got, oh, so this actually takes 8. The 160 takes 6 AA batteries. Obviously makes sense. This one takes more. And this is also where you put in that plate. You just slide it in here. Let me see. Yep, you should be able just to, yeah, I guess that's it, yeah. So you just slide that in, pop in the battery, and I'm actually charging that battery literally right now, so I can't get it, but you just slide it in. Now, the only, I know with the 160, it's a bit of a pain to slide this battery in, because actually with the 160, you don't have this. Oh, you know what? Son of a gun. I just noticed some. It says Panasonic D16. Interesting. Well, look at that. You learn something every day. So this is actually a adapter for Panasonic batteries. So if you don't want to use the Sony ones, which should go in here, I would assume. Interesting. You know what? Okay, well, I'm going to have to test all that stuff out. But that's good to know, actually. So, okay, if that... let me put that back in. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna have to test all that stuff out, but anyway, you have options with batteries, and then yeah, as I mentioned with the 160, because it doesn't have this plate here, when you put in the battery inside, basically you got to open this up, you got to kind of it's not that difficult to put the battery in, but it's difficult to take it out. You kind of have to jig around with it because of the space, just the way it is. Anybody who has the 160 knows what I mean. It's a bit of a pain in the ass. So this one might be different. Anyway, we'll find out. Now, the main thing with this guy is that the reason why it's called 304 or 304 is because it's got 304 LED lights. Unlike the 160, which, yes, you guessed it, has 160 lights. The 176 has 176. So this guy basically, well, almost doubles, if you do basic math, almost doubles the 160 in terms of strength. So I am really looking forward to that, to see, how much I can get out of this. And I also have, I have the softbox that can be attached to this guy. And I definitely am going to attach it and see how well that works. And all that stuff. So yeah, so stay tuned for all that. I hope this gave you a good idea of this little thing, what comes inside of it and all that stuff. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe to this channel if you want to check out my other videos. Like this video, and see you soon, guys. Thanks.